Okay, welcome back. We've had the roll cage fitted. I know I'll put a few little posts on social media, but that's the roll cage, all done. It needs to be painted. I'm not sure what colour to do it, so if anyone wants to comment below what colour you think I should do the roll cage, that'd be great. And maybe that caliper blue. Somebody said candy red. I'm thinking along the lines of white, do it all white, because there's a few blue touches going in the car. So I've got to whip this out, and then this has got to get powder coated. We've just got to put a few mounts on there for the rear spoiler, and I'm just going to put the seat belts back in, and bits of trim, that's got to go back in. Okay, this is the final time now that the kit is going to be taken off the car, and it's going off to the paint shop to get all the panels painted. All the other little bits of trims for the door, the front and rear bumpers, and the sills, they're all going off. I know that I've already had the carbon fibre done, but that's going to get another coat of clear coat as well, just to protect it. So be looking forward to seeing that when it comes back.
Out here on the street, I'm losing my way. You've gotten to me, and that's my mistake. Some might say I can't get too far without seeing your face. Oh, you gave me your heart and took it away. I'm going underground, going under.
Okay, so this is a stencil I've made for the wing supports, if you see that. So that's near enough to what I've seen in the graphics of the game. So I'm going to get two of those made in aluminium, I think, with a nice chamfered edge. We're going to take those to the wall so we can make them. This is the side view of the wing. And there's the top support. Obviously that is if you had a bottom support, so I'm going to cut that off. So I'm going to make a stencil of that, stick it to some cardboard, so we've got an accurate mounting point where the wing's going to be. So we'll do that. Then I'll take the roll cage out and we'll get that powder coated and get some welding points put on there. So there's going to be a hole here and a little cut out there, so I can adjust the arms up and down to see where they're going to be sort of coming out, exiting the back window. Right, so yeah, I'll get these made, get the roll cage powder coated, and the body kit will hopefully be coming back next week all painted up, which would be great. We can fit that. So I'm just going to cut these out now and make a stencil. And I'm not saying I'm the best at arts and crafts, but I'm going to give it a go. Right, I've got my cutting board, because if I start cutting this out in the worktops, my wife will go mental. Also remember people, scissors are sharp. And knives, they're sharp too. Alright, so first things first, we'll get these mounting points unbolted here and here. And then there's like a sleeve joint, I don't know if you can see that there. Two of those, either the side are going to be unbolted, and then I'll get the cage out and then start putting the seat belts and trims back in.
If I could go back and make things right, I would have it undone. No, I hurt you. Yeah, I was blind. The blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. Know that I regret it. Hope I can repay you for what I've done. Know that I regret it. Hope we find our way back to love.
And as you can see, Brad, who fitted the roll cage, has welded some nice plates in there as well, make it a lot stronger than it is, and then some welded nuts inside there, so he's done a really good job of that.
'Cause it's you and me. Yeah, we fought, but we tried to make everything better. You and me, we work everything out. No one can love me better than you. Than you. Than you. No one can love me better than you. Than you. Than you. No one can love me better. Can we talk it out? Make things right. I can feel us growing colder. I made my bed. Yeah, I'm not proud. It was just a mistake. You should know that. I really do regret it. Hope I can repay you for what I've done. Whoa, know that I regret it. Hope we find our way back to love. 'Cause it's you and me. Yeah, we fought, but we tried to make everything better. You, baby, and me. We work everything out. No one can love me better than you, baby. Than you, baby. Than you. No one can love me better than you, baby. Than you, than you. No one can love me better.
Just taking these interior trim panels off and the rear panels, then I'm going to refit the seat belts.
Say your loving comes around, going underground, going underground. 'Cause your love is not around anymore.
Going underground, 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 yeah. Going underground, 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 yeah. I hide in the dark, nowhere to be found. Where there was a spark, there's now only doubt. No, no, I've said it before, I'll say it again. Oh, I thought you were sure, now you're a losing.
I'm going underground, going underground. Say your loving comes around, going underground, going underground. 'Cause your love is not around anymore.
Going underground, underground, yeah. Going underground, underground, yeah.
Okay, I'm just separating the two looms. One was for the parking sensors and one was for the number plate lights, so I don't need the parking sensors. It's quite lucky that I nearly threw this lot in the bin and then realised I needed it. Alright, there's the two looms separated, quite easy to do. So them are the parking sensors there, and then all I need is the number plate lights there and the park light plug that goes in the back bumper, and that's it. So that's that all taped up. Okay, I'm just putting the centre console back in. That's the bracket that holds the armrest on. And then, yeah, this came in and out quite a few times and quite a few choice words were said trying to get this all back together.
Out here on the street, I'm losing my way. You've gotten to me, and that's my mistake. Some might say I can't get too far without what's in your face. Oh, you gave me your heart.
This is me popping one of my drying towels on the dashboard just to protect it as I put this centre console back around the gear stick. And yeah, it was a bit tricky this.
I'm going underground. Say your loving comes around, going underground, 'cause your love is not around anymore.
Going underground, underground, yeah. Going underground, underground, yeah.
Okay, I'm just popping the aircon controls back in, the hazard switch, and I think there's another little switch as well. I sort of had a little trouble with getting that back in, but it all went in the end. Alright, so here's a job I've been putting off for weeks and weeks, is to do all the paintwork inside the wheel arches before the kit comes back. So the kit's going to be obviously coming back pretty soon, so I want to get all these painted. VW don't put much paint on the inner arches or around the door shots here, so I'm going to put some paint on there because obviously these areas are quite visible once the kit's on.
I hide in the dark, nowhere to be found. Where there was a spark, there's now only doubt. No, no, I've said it before, I'll say it again. Oh, I thought you were sure, now you're a losing.
I'm going under.
That's exactly what I wanted. You wouldn't see that. It just sits. That sits right as the right spot. Doesn't it? It's so good.
Look at your face.
Oh, just yeah, because it's nice that you know he knew exactly what I wanted. All the panels have gone off to the body shop now, finally. And then when all the panels come back, we'll start fitting up that to the car. And then I think the next job is
Stickers.
stickers, yeah. So we're going to go for a race car theme. We've already got some ideas what we want to do and what colours we want to do, but we'll keep all that secret till we reveal the car. Okay. So, as always, and I always say, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.